Hey guys, thank you for watching. First and foremost, look at my hair. Oh my god, it's gray and I am obsessed. Anyways, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hell palette and I'm starting off with the shade Silk Cream on my MAC 217 brush. And we're just going to run this in the crease as our transition shade. Using the same brush, I'm going in with the shade Pooter and I'm going to apply this into the crease. We're just deepening up the crease. Same brush again, I'm going with the shade Mocha and I'm going to start out on the outer corner and then I'm going to drag it into the crease to deepen it up a little bit more. With the pencil brush, I'm going with the shade called Chip and just deepening out the outer corner, and I'm also going to drag this into the crease to deepen that as well. I love this look, guys, because it's really easy to do. As you can tell, I've been using the same brush and just blending everything out like I'm doing here. I'm using the MAC 217. I'm taking my 217 brush and swirling it in my color switch to use it to blend out the transition shade because I felt like it kind of got lost. So I just added a little bit more of that silk cream and blending out these edges to make it look a little bit more smoky. With my finger, I'm just going to apply this shade called SBN, which stands for Smoky but Natural, if you didn't know. And yeah, applying with the finger works just as good as a brush. And then I decided that I wanted to deepen up this outer corner a little bit, so I got my pencil brush in the shade Mocha, and I'm just kind of deepening it up, and then I'm blending it out with my MAC 217 once again. With my brush, I'm also kind of dragging it out in a cat eye shape, if you can tell. Like, you can kind of see like I'm kind of creating a wing with MAC 217. With an angled brush, I'm mixing the shades Chip and Soda Pop, and I'm going to create a wing. And guys, if you don't know how to do a wing, this is like the perfect opportunity to practice because we're going to be smudging out this wing, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So if you're a beginner and always want to try a wing, I feel like this look is perfect to practice. And don't be scared, guys, because like I said, we're going to be smudging this out. It looks good? Yeah, it looks good. Here I'm just making the wing a little darker so that we have something to smudge. And with a smudge brush, I'm just going to smudge out the edges of this wing, make it look a little bit more smoky, a little bit more sultry. Now onto the waterline, I'm just going to apply this black liner from Sephora into the waterline, self-explanatory. Now with the black shade called Abyss, I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm smudging out that black liner that we just applied to make it look a little bit more smoky and sultry. With a pencil brush and the shade Mocha, I'm going to run this shade right underneath that black color that we just applied to smoke it out a little bit more. And I'm going to blend this out with my MAC 217. I didn't have any product before, but I decided to add the shade Silk Cream and Pooter to the brush to really smoke this out. Going back in with my angled brush in the shades Mocha and Chip, I'm just defining this wing a little bit more, and I felt like it was a little bit too long, so I went back in with my foundation brush to kind of tame it down a little bit. And for the inner corner, I'm taking this Physicians Formula highlighter, apparently by the look of my face. I really do love this highlighter, and I'm just applying it into the inner corner and the brow bone. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. This is probably one of the shortest videos that I have ever posted, but that just shows you how easy and fast this look is, so don't be afraid to try it. And it's actually one of my go-to looks because it's so fast and easy. Don't ask what I'm doing here. Oh, okay, girl, get it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.